sorry. It says the following: the Spirit of the Lord is upon me. Did you hear? This is, if you have the what is this Bible, the Jesus Words Bible, the speaking, you would see it's in red, meaning this is where Jesus was speaking. On this Bible, every word's in red is where he spoke. So when he spoke, he says, the Spirit of the Lord is upon me because he had anointed me to preach the gospel to the poor. He had sent me to heal the brokenhearted, to preach deliverance to the captives and recovering of sight to the blind, to set the liberty them that are bruised, to preach the acceptable year of the Lord. So the anointing when Jesus spoke, it was already been set upon him.